So all good museums, and I have to admit I run one, just simply join up the dots for people from the past to the future, and it helps people make sense of the world around them. And that's what good museums do, and that's what that exhibition does. They join up the dots to contemporary life.
Fascinating, a real insight into a really important historical building, just in terms of the context of World War II, but also a fascinating insight into data and the role that it plays in society now, and real inspiring uses of creative GPS sources and data tracking.
I think this has been one of the best exhibitions I've ever seen at Bletchley, and I've now been coming here for some years. It's really clever the way it integrates modern intelligence issues with the history of intelligence, and it gives you a sense of continuity of how this intelligence work applies not only back to the Second World War, but on every single conflict, on every single piece of criminal activity ever since. It really shows that this was the growing point for our understanding of intelligence. And the brilliant thing about this exhibition is it shows what it was like to work here. It's not just about sinking submarines, it's about the full activity of the place.